In this video, we are going to learn how we can open the sample company in QuickBooks Desktop. So let's get started. Alright, now that we have completed our trading company and manufacturing company assignment, let's move to the other areas of QuickBooks and we will explore one by one all the important functions in QuickBooks. So for this, I will not disturb my main file. So what I'll do is just close this company and open the sample company that QuickBooks offers by default. So in order to create a sample company or open the sample company, I'll click on File to close this company from here. And I'll click on Open a Sample Company. In this case, because we want to see many functions related to the product, so I'll select the product-based business first. And it might ask you to update the company. It says QuickBooks Desktop needs to update your company file. If you plan to use a multi-user mode, do you want to continue? Yes. So we might have to wait a little while and then the company will update. Now it shows you this message that you are opening a QuickBooks Desktop sample file. Click OK. Click continue, and now our sample company is created. The name of the company is Sample Rock Castle Construction Company, and as you can see that on the home tab we see many more options or many more areas than the normal company that we just worked on. That's because all of the functions are enabled in this company for you to explore. So this is how you can open the sample company. In the next video, we are going to explore some functions using the data of the sample company.